So any two straight lines may have one intersection, as you can see in case 1, and that happens when the two lines are non-parallel. So referring to the graph, there is one intersection point. So the number of intersections is 1, and the condition is the two straight lines have unequal slopes. The second case is where the two straight lines have no intersection. That would be case 2, when the two lines are parallel. So the number of intersections would be 0. That happens when the two slopes are equal, but they are of different y-intercepts. So we have two different parallel straight lines. And the last case is where the two straight lines have an infinite number of intersections. That would be case 3, when the two straight lines are coincident. So as you can see, L1 and L2 are on top of each other. They have equal slopes and they have the same y-intercept. So here the number of intersections would be an infinite number. Let's look at example 4.16. We want to determine the number of intersections between the two straight lines. In general, for a straight line in the general form, we can find the slope and the y-intercept. Here, the two straight lines have unequal slopes, so the number of intersections will be 1. That would be case 1 in our table. Here, the two straight lines have the same slope, so it could be case 2, the two straight lines are parallel, or case 3, where the two straight lines are coincident. So let's look at the y-intercepts. So since the two straight lines have the same slope, but they have different y-intercepts, the number of intersections will be 0. L1 and L2 have no intersections. Part C, L1 and L2 have the same slope, so let's find the two y-intercepts. And the y-intercepts are equal. That would be the third case where the two straight lines are coincident. So L1 and L2 have an infinite number of intersections. Alternatively, we can take L2, equation 2, divide by 4 to see if we can simplify to get equation 1. So L1 and L2 are coincident, and therefore L1 and L2 have an infinite number of intersections.